took a little money out my savings, y'all. Whoa, I got one. You guys, look at these. Hey you guys, happy Saturday. So today we are going to Tennessee. So I wanted to start a new vlog. We're gonna do some road tripping, try a new restaurant, go get one of our dogs that we currently co-own. We breed dogs, and we're gonna go pick up one of our dogs that we co-own with another person, and then we're gonna probably go to the flea market and head back home. So I just wanted to do a little intro of the vlog. Hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Z. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So what's the rush? Tonight is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel cause I get rough. You told me you knew man don't make you nut. It's a damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy. So a change of plans. We've decided not to go because honestly, I just don't feel like it. And we're just gonna keep the dog where she at. I'm out here having my coffee that you guys saw that I made. It is already hot out here. It kind of rained a little bit last night. It looks like it's kind of wet out here. But I just came out here to have a little woosah moment, a little me time, because the boys are in the house making food. Y'all, I thought we was getting ready to go. Now they in the house making a full plate. I've just been on the phone, making coffee, and just relaxing. I'm gonna get a picture today. I'm debating if I want to put a lip combo on or just keep the gloss look. What y'all think? I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I use. So I'm rocking these glasses today. They're from H&M. I need to go get another memory card because it's running low. It was flashing at me last night. See, it's flashing at me now, but this is what I wear on my lips. It's called the Bag Balm. But yeah, like I was saying, it gives a nice glow. This is what it looks like. You can get it in like a 3-pack. It's very inexpensive, but look at the glow that it gives. It's kind of like a Vaseline, but in a better like kind of form. And it just makes your lips look very nice and plumped. So I use this and a chapstick underneath. I'll probably just do some shopping today. I did want to go to Old Navy. Oh, I do need to go to Bath & Body Works and get some more lotion for like my nighttime skincare. I don't know if they have a Sephora out there. I need to actually check, so hopefully it's a vibe. I took a little money out my savings, y'all, so I can get me a little something because your girl needs some more basics from Old Navy. Old Navy and H&M, y'all, is where I get my basics. My bodysuits I normally get from Skims, My Boutique, Amazon, or Goodwill. I'm not gonna lie. I do want to get some candles, so hopefully they have a sale. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much longer. I'm just gonna sit out here, have my coffee before the boys come out, and enjoy the breeze, enjoy nature. I'll see y'all probably once we get to the outside mall. Just finished eating. It's still raining here in Tennessee, but we are on our way back home. I need to go get gas. We are letting the puppy use the bathroom right now. So we went to Johnny Brusco's New York style pizza. It was really good. The wings were bussin'. I went to Five Below, Old Navy, Bath and Body Works. So I will show y'all a haul once we get home. First to Bath and Body Works, but I got 2 soaps and this is what they look like. I got the white tea and sage and the wild rose and suede. This one is going in my bathroom. This one is going in my kitchen. So I will be putting those in their places. And then I went to Old Navy and I spent $35. And I got this dress, you guys. It was $29.99 and it was 50% off. It's just like a bodycon beige dress that goes all the way down to your ankles, and then the back has like a little dip, but it has like a high neck, so I love that. These were in the clearance section. You guys know I love athletic wear, so I got these. Look at this waistband, you guys, and look how thick it is. This is just a beige jogger that I got, and it has the skinny leg at the bottom, and I got a size small, and these were $11.99. These are just some beige, they're called women crew socks, and they were $149 each, and this is what they look like. They're very like breathable socks, as you can see.
This is Damn, DJ Swamp, relax. I guess I'm looking at this moment slip away. Cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You gotta look right through the top. I like you more pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go on and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you hit it, show it, hit it, show it, hit it, show it, hit it, show it. Hit it, show it, hit it, show it, hit it, show it. I guess I'm looking like the moon just drifting away. So baby, what you do? Cause I
Oh, I got one. We got 4 fish over here. Look at that view behind me. You got one?